In this position, a fight has formed in the lower left. White stones in the corner. Are not fully settled yet. Black has a cutting point here. At this moment, if black wants to attack white, how should black play? In this situation, it is easy to think of fixing the cut here. Then white plays a large knight's move to escape. Black makes a tiger's mouth. From the shape, black still seems decent. Black has achieved something and has damaged the white stones. But this is not the best move. Actually, in this position, black has no need to fix this cutting point. Let's look. Black can directly cap white with a knight's move, sealing white inside. If white chooses to cut in order to live in the corner, black cuts through white. Then black makes a tiger's mouth. This produces a shape we have seen before. The result here is a big loss for white. We can see that although black has lost one stone, white's outside stones have become wasted. This is a very satisfying shape for black. White has become shattered. Here, black intentionally did not fix the lower cutting point, forcing white to cut and live in the corner. After white cuts from here and lives, white has formed a shattered shape. Black is very satisfied with this result. Now let me introduce another way to create a shattered shape. Often seen in joseki, similar to the previous diagram. The position reaches this rather uncommon shape. Look at the lower right. If white simply blocks down, black captures the two cornerstones. There is no shattered shape here. This black stone is one space away from white, so it does not count as shattered. At this point, white uses a brilliant move, giving Atari from here. White counter-Ataris downward, gives Atari again, then makes a tiger's mouth. We can see that white has created the same shattered shape as before. White has held down. Black's outside stone, creating a split shape for black. So we can see how to create a shattered shape. Through our own technique, we can make the opponent's stones become shattered when the opponent forms a shattered shape. Our stones become very efficient.